Alrighty, what's up YouTube? Obviously, if you're subscribed to me already, this is something I never post, and I might be posting little things here and there, regarding, little fixes here and there. But this is mainly just a video I want to throw on YouTube for anyone that owns a 2005 through 2009 Ford Mustang, whether it's a GT or the 4-liter V6. Maybe this even fixes other cars, I don't know. So I was having an issue where under throttle on my car, it would bog or stutter or hesitate, some might want to say. So if I scroll in right here, you'll see my RPM. So I would shift into like, I don't know, let's say third gear. I would go into third gear, and then right as I hit like that 2,000 to 3,000 mark, it would go bum, 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 and then it would go. If I slowly accelerated, it would be just fine. Or if I were to idle, leave my car running, it was fine. So it was a misfire, but it was a really weird issue. I don't know exactly what was causing it. However, I've read several forums. I've spent weeks trying to fix this, and I finally fixed it after a combination of things that I did to the car. The first thing I tried, of course, changing my gas, because, maybe there's something with the fuel pump, or, whatever it may be. Maybe I just have bad gas, or there's, some gunk in my tank or whatever. I tried changing up my gas. That didn't do anything. However, I stuck with the new gas just in case over time it would fix it. So let me show you what I ended up doing to fix this issue on this misfire. So go ahead and walk over here. So the first thing that I did was I changed all 8 of my spark plugs, or whatever. If you have a V6, obviously 6 of them. I changed all the spark plugs and I started the car. Again, I didn't see a fix in the issue. It was noticeably better, but it was still happening. So the next thing I did was I went ahead and bought some CRC throttle body cleaner, and I went ahead and cleaned out the throttle body, and because it was really dirty in there. There's a couple of videos on YouTube on how to do it. It's really easy. You just spray the stuff and you just wipe it down with like a bristle brush or something. Not too sharp, but a light bristle brush. But yeah, I cleaned that out. Next thing I did is I cleaned out my mass airflow sensor. There's another video on YouTube on how to do that. Same brand, CRC. You can get it at AutoZone for like $8, something like that. And I think they had like a combo for 10 or for both of them, whatever. But yeah, I cleaned that out, and again, started the car with the spark plugs changed and these 2 things cleared out. Nothing really changed. Again, better, but still happening, and it shouldn't be happening. And also, I should also note, no check engine light. There's no check engine light in this issue. Absolutely nothing. I have a check engine light for O2 sensors, but that's different, I don't know what the hell was happening. So again, the next thing I did was I changed out all 8 coil packs. Yes, this was expensive. It was like $275 for all 8. And I guess they have like a hotter spark or whatever. I'm sure you can get them for cheaper somewhere else, but AutoZone, $275 for all 8 of them. Went ahead and did that, and again, car was noticeably not better. So the next thing I did was I went ahead over to here. If you go under the car, you can't see it right there. I just did a horrible little demonstration there. Go ahead on YouTube and search how to change your fuel filter. I went ahead and changed my fuel filter, and again, nothing changed. Now here's the weird thing. I drove the car to empty. I was just curious if this would work. I drove the car down to empty, literally 0 miles till empty is what my odometer said. And I got a full tank of gas. Driving home from the gas station after filling up all the way from empty, it happened, but it was like, it's even more noticeably better. So then later that day, I had let my car sit for about 4 to 5 hours. It just fixed itself. I don't understand if it just had to work its way through the system. I know everything I did helped fix it, but I don't know why it was like not an instant type of thing. It definitely had to run through the system. But these are the things I did to fix the car: spark plugs, coils, cleaning the throttle body, mass airflow sensor, fuel filter. I did all of these things for about, I don't know, $350. Oh no, spark plugs were 100, so $420. I don't know, something like that. Not the cheapest, but it did fix it, and it saved me from going over to the boys in blue, which would not be fun to do. And of course, an airplane goes as I'm recording this. Great. Anyways, if you have any questions, comment down below. I'll get back to everyone. Unless this video gets big, I don't think it will. This is just gonna be one of those slight niche things. And God, dude, I'm not trying to edit this video. Come on now. Anyways, those are the things I did to try and fix this thing. I did end up fixing it. I don't know if it had to work its way through the system, like I said, but it did end up fixing itself, sort of. I don't know, but it works now. Hopefully these combination of things help you. Again, like me, try each one out, drive the car, just in case you fix it. Start the cheapest by cleaning and then work your way up from spark plugs and coils. In my case, I definitely had a dead coil, is what I'm going to assume, and then it had to like run its way through after getting new gas. Honestly, I'm not a wizard with cars. I'm just assuming that's what happened. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, again, comment down below. And if you disagree with some of the things I'm saying here, please educate me. I need help. But yeah, it works.